Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm a customer support specialist and developer here at MyDoc365, and welcome to our series of SharePoint tips. In this video, I'm going to be going over PowerApps integration with a SharePoint list. So you'll see right here, I have a simple list pulled up for item submission, and if you click the New button, you'll see a simple little form here. It just has basically the values for these columns here. Now I want to edit this, so what I'll do is I'll click on Customize, and that will take me to PowerApps. I'm going to skip all the loading screens and just bring us right there. So this is the form in PowerApps. You can see all the fields right over here. Now the first thing I want to do is get rid of this test column. I actually don't need this column, so the way you want to edit columns is by going to the form itself right in here in the navigation, and you want to go to Properties and Fields. Then you can just check or uncheck any of these to add or remove them, or you can even drag and drop them. You'll see that test moved on top of title, but I can just remove that like this, and now it's gone. Now the second thing I want to do is just make a title block up here. So you'll see that I just pulled that form down, changed the size a little bit. Now I'm going to go to icons and grab a rectangle just for a nice simple look. And I can drag that, make it fit all the corners. It'll snap right in nicely. And then I'll add a label for the title itself. Now I can just drag that there and over here. And I'll change that to say submit an item. After that, when I click out of that, it's going to change the text. Now I want to change the color of the text and make it bold and maybe a different font. So I can do a lot of those things in here and just change it in this formula bar, but an easy way to do that is to just go in here. I can change the color right here, and then the actual specifics of the text I can go under Advanced, and if you scroll far enough you'll see a More Options button, and I already have that open. In here you can find the size, so I'll change that to 16. And then I'll change the font weight, so I can just erase this and it will give me suggestions, and I'll choose bold. And I can do the same thing for the font itself. I'll just change that to Arial. And now you can see this looks a lot better. It's a nice little title block for the form, and it gives it a nice, more aesthetically pleasing look for the user. So now that I have this little form made, there's not much to it, but it's a lot better than the way it started. I'm going to go ahead and save it and publish it to SharePoint. Now when you save it, it's not actually going to publish. You have to click Publish to SharePoint in order to do that and confirm it. And now let's go and see what's done. You can refresh the page, and then when you click the New button, your form should be right there. And that will be what the user can use instead of what originally showed up. You'll see it right here. It's nice and it's easy to use, and it provides a nice way for the user to have a better experience with their lists and with submitting things to a list. You'll see it looks really nice in this corner here. So if you like this video and if it helped you, go ahead and give us a like or a share. Thanks for watching.